school hurriedly.
We still left school hurriedly.
Our environment is rich, I can say so. Anytime I think of anything that can make use of our class, I just collect it. If I go out to the shops, I see bottle tops, I pick them.
This water point here was constructed in the year 2002. So, with us as pupils, we have a responsibility to take care of this water point here.
There's a topic on modern forms of communication. I taught it recently. I talk about things like the telex, the internet and all that. So try to imagine a situation where you're talking about internet in theory. We don't even have a computer. I asked those students, how many of them have ever come across a computer?
I like science, and the most parts which I'm really interested in, my teacher of science told me that those parts of science can enable you to be a doctor, and I'm also interested in mathematics.
I'm planning to be an engineer after school.
Most of our children are actually from around, and some of these children had never even gone past Kisumu. That means they may not have a bird's view of what the world is. In fact, one time we even took our children to Nakumat supermarket, and they even wondered that is this the way the world look like? So we therefore feel that if we link it with the schools outside the country, outside Africa, then they will see the other aspects of the world.
Sinos and Olivia are pupils from Kavindewere Primary School in Kasungu district, situated to the northern region of Malawi. From my friends in the UK, I have learned a lot from them, what they learn in school and how they live. I also learn traditional way of life.
When I wake up in the morning, I get a broom and sweep the house and the kitchen. I light fire to boil water for my bath, then I go to school. When I knock off from school, I go home to eat msima. I hope you have ever heard on the radio, read in the newspapers, and in several places about human rights. Who can tell us examples of human rights? Yes, the right to education. Everyone has the right to education as a child.
It's 7:50 a.m., the time of morning exercise. Each class group is headed by their headmaster.
早平小学上学，我在6年级1班，我们班一共有42名同学，我教课有学。我平常最喜欢的课程就是音乐、体育，一类的。我希望告诉他们，我们这座学校是很美的，我们非常快乐的在这里生活着，希望他们有。
我是5点40起床，然后上学，然后待一会儿就上操嘛，然后上操下面就是上朗读，朗读下面就吃早点，然后上完4节课，放学就是8点钟。
你最喜欢的科目是什么？
最喜欢的科目是英语吧。
如果你有机会跟他们1对1的这样交流的话，你最想了解他们哪方面的？
你们干些什么？和我们中国的小朋友做一下比较，可以和他们一起做游戏，从中得到乐趣。
Je m'appelle Shahia Koumas, j'ai fait la classe du CM2A à l'école Mamadou Diaw, j'ai 11 ans. Machine, nos commodations. Le vocabulaire, l'histoire, l'éveil sont mes matières préférées. Pendant les créations, je joue, je me distrais un peu avec mes amis. Mon jeu favori, c'est le football. Je voudrais, quand j'aurai mon entrée en 6e, je voudrais aller au Britannique militaire. Je fais un repos de 10 minutes maximum et puis ça c'est la table d'études. Ça c'est un an pour préparer l'entrée en 6e. Maximum je trouverai ici 4 opérations, des problèmes et des questions de cours. Parfois aussi ma tante m'a fait des dictées. Ça c'est un dictionnaire pour les mots difficiles quoi. Après avoir révisé, je me repose un peu.
Yes? We see accidents on the street. We see accidents on the street. Fine. Yes. So if an accident is bad, who can tell me now the definition of an accident? Yes? What's my time?
Accident is when something bad has happened.
Fine, let's go for her.
We don't want to slavery now. Africa is not for sale. We don't want to slavery now. Human beings not a trade. We need freedom. We need peace and love. We need freedom. We don't want to slavery now. We don't want to slavery now. Africa is not for sale. We don't want to slavery now.